Alright, Ephraim, I have your quad here. So this is the Storm Butterfly 1.6 inch little nano quad. It's super tiny. So I guess Storm makes it. And so what I did is I replaced the entire stack. The ESCs and the flight controller were fried, so swap those out. You got the same flight controller, but the ESC, it's not the 28 amp, it's the 33 amp, so you got a little bit more amps there. So and then I swapped out the props as well, so it did have these 40 millimeter props, and I swapped it out for these 1535s. I thought they would work better. Let's see, you got your RXSR in there, and so they didn't hook up smart port, so I ran a wire for you for that, so you have smart port now. So let's check that out. Turn on my radio. I already got it bound up to my radio, but I will show you how to bind it. So yeah, let's do that first. Actually, we'll do that last because I gotta take the battery out. So yeah, I'll just plug it in real quick, show you the video, show you the Lua script. You got your LED with the buzzer in the back. Okay, so you're gonna have to download Lua script to your radio. There's tons of videos online for how to do that, but once you have it, you just hold down this page button, and there you go. You can change your PIDs, and you push menu to go through each page of settings. Change all those settings. I'm having some kind of problem with my radio. Anyway, you can see that's working. So you got smart port now. Let me turn this around, and well, let me arm it first. Alright, we're good there. Let's show you the video real quick. Alright, video looks good. Let's arm it. Yep, looks good. Alright, so let me turn this around, and here, let's see, you're gonna have to scoot over a little bit. Go over there. That way, that way.
Okay.
Alright. Do a little test hover. So this is with a 2-cell battery. You're probably gonna be using mostly 3S, I think, but here we go. So it's flying really nice. Really smooth. Nice super bright LEDs. Alright. Yeah, so 2S, it's not gonna have a ton of power, but I mean, if you, like you said, you're just learning, you know, you're gonna learn how to fly with this quad. So 2S might be okay for you to start with, and then you know, you could switch to 3S when you're a little bit more comfortable. So yeah, you see it flies, the video's working, your Lua script smart port's working. Now I'll show you how to bind it. So, oh man, I forgot. I put this rubber piece down. Well, you can still get to the bind button right there. If you want to make it a little bit easier, you could pull this rubber piece up. It wouldn't be hard to do, and it'll just stick back down. But let me see real quick. You can see, so there's the plug for the receiver right there. It's that white piece, white square piece right here with the wires coming out of it. That's the plug to the receiver. And then just to the left of it, there's a little notch cut out of the heat shrink, and that's the button right there. So I'm pushing it right now. Try to get a little bit closer. Get the light down here on it. There we go. You can see it right there. I'm touching it right there. So that's the bind button. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your battery, You're going to get it almost plugged in, like this, where it's partly plugged in but not actually powering the quad, and then hold it in a way that when you're ready you can push it together with just this one hand. Then you're going to hold down the bind button and then plug in the battery, wait about 2 seconds, then let go of the button. Okay, but first what you're going to do is you're going to go in your radio menu, you're going to choose a new model. I have a video showing you how to do this, but once you do that, push the page button to go to page 2. Now you're on model setup, so you can name it and then press the plus to go down to the bottom of the screen. Plus, plus, plus up here. You want to make sure for the mode that it's in D16 mode. Once you do that, you're going to go down to bind. You're going to push bind. Channel 9 through 16 telemetry on is what you want. Okay, then you push enter again, and the radio will start chirping. I don't know if you can hear that. Okay. Set that to the side, then do what I said, where you get the battery ready, hold down the button, plug in the battery, wait a couple seconds, then let go of the button, then wait about 5 seconds, then push enter again on your radio to stop the bind, unplug the battery, plug the battery back in, and then when you do that, it should be bound. And the way that you'll be able to tell is push exit, exit to go to the main screen, and you can see right here that it's bound because this is the RSSI signal. So normally you would only have the battery signal, but when it's bound you'll also have this. So you'll know it's bound if you see this little signal bar right here. And then you'll be ready to go. Well, besides that, you also have to set up ARM and auxiliary in your radio. But like I said, I have a video showing you how to do that, so you can just message me if you do need help with that, and I will link you to that video showing you how. So that should be it. It flies, video works, everything's good to go. So yeah, I'll be sending this back your way. It might be too late for today. It might have to wait till Monday. But either way, I'll send you over tracking, and I'll talk to you soon. Alright, thanks, man.